Gates open, they're up and racing. Asikuda draws for your lead. Preciosa moving up in between runners. Military Might by the rail, rushing up is the favorite Blumentritt. Royal Fair comes next, then followed by Miss Delicious, running alongside. All Out by the rail, Lucky Lorky and Kaimaki a long way back to Lord of the Sun as they race towards the last 800. Blumentritt now takes the lead over Asikuda in second. Racing in third, Royal Fair, followed by Preciosa. Miss Delicious comes next, then moving up by the Lucky Lorky. All Out, Kaimaki, and a long way back to Lord of the Sun as they race at the last 450. Blumentritt, Asikuda moving a party outside to grab the lead. Kelvin Abobo on Asikuda now takes up the running over. Blumentritt in second, racing in third, Military Might, Kaimaki, Royal Fair, and down the stretch they come. Asikuda running on the outside. Blumentritt drops back in second, Military Might, Kaimaki, and finally at the finish line, Kelvin Abobo on Asikuda. Blumentritt, Military Might, then comes Royal Fair and Preciosa.
Okay, 3, 4, 8, 6, 9.